At DEMI Container services in Heinenoord, near Rotterdam, multiple compact doors were installed across the company's workshop. The compact doors were chosen for their smart, space-saving design and durability. Full vision panels were chosen to allow plenty of natural light into the workspace, creating a brighter and more pleasant working environment. With several large crane tracks running inside, the compact doors are the ideal solution. They fold up without ceiling rails, allowing cranes to move freely when handling and modifying large containers. Some of the doors are also fitted with wicket doors, providing convenient access for personnel.